Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. So in my last video, the oversee results video, front yard. I showed you those results. Then I started working on the rose bushes. Before I started working on the rose bushes, this is what I was doing. Oh yeah, a little lawn maintenance goes a long way. Trust me. I guess what I'm trying to say is I had a long day, and now here are the results of what I was doing. I just want to add something to the front of the garage. Just something different. Well, not totally different, but I guess different for an alley. Putting pots out here with spikes just to add some type of greenery. I'm up to speed somewhat. Let's keep moving. Concerned about my ginger wines. This one right here. I want to add plant support, so I'll add some plant support to that one. My hydrangea. This has hurt my pro status. Really is. And this ginger wine over here. Again, don't like how they're hanging, so I'll do something about it. Just wanted them to stand up, so to speak. As you can see, that plant support makes a huge difference. Again, the weather was horrible, capital H. So let's just move on to the hydrangea. These things are a game changer, easy to use. If you're interested, link will be in the description. If you can walk and chew gum at the same time, won't be a problem at all. Got to do something about this hydrangea. I know it's October, but it shouldn't look like this. Maybe I didn't give it enough water over the summer. Got it to stand up, but it's in bad shape. This is embarrassing. Really is. This isn't pro status at all, and I have to do better. But again, my defense well, I have no defense. No defense. Look at this. And this was all the way down and stuck on the mulch. Look at this. This is just despicable. Not too concerned with the state of the little lime hydrangeas, so let's move on to the ginger wine. Slight improvement. This one didn't get as much sun, that's why it's hanging a little more than the other one. Might as well head over here and work on the rose bushes. I'll start with this one. Much improved. Much improved. Then I'll make my way over to the bigger one. It's like I have no choice but to start on something one day and then finish it the next. I just have so much to do. It's still the same day, but moving forward, I need a real schedule. Anyway, I'm going to have to make a decision on this rose bush. I might have to cut it down so that it'll be as tall as the one on the left. On the bright side, this lilac grew another shoot. I thought it was a weed at first. I was about to yank it out the ground. Remember the Karate Kid? We're going to do this Mr. Miyagi style. Wax on, wax off, if you know what I mean. I'll say this, despite the setbacks this summer, I am very impressed by these cardinals. Very impressed. Highly recommend. Especially with this red one. Guys, I promise you, I picked the exact same two rose bushes. I don't know why they're different colors. I have no idea. Have you ever been stung by a bee? I have. It's not pleasant. I don't know if this one will attack me. Seems to be a queen. I don't want to find out either. Thinking about buying more cardinals. I have to really consider it. Time to clean up. I'll start over there. All isn't lost. We can still make the best of things. So I'll get this chunk up, especially over here. Then you know what? I'll bring out the lawnmower, cut the grass. I got the works trimmer edger. Have to do this. Then I'll get my blower, blow these clippings back into the grass. I want to conduct an experiment. I want to put down 3 different fertilizers. Might as well do it now, considering I haven't done anything like this all year. See where the bags are lined up. So the other one will be for that first section. The second one will be for the orange one. And then the last one, the third one, will be for the black bag. Honestly, I should have used this bag like in March or April. That's okay. So this one is actually for the fall. And this third one is like a wild card. It's like a 3-in-1. I ran out of fertilizer in that black bag. I had that bag for so long. I didn't realize I was low on it. But that's okay. This would be like an experiment within an experiment. That 3-in-1 would start a fertilizer for this whole section. Hey, sometimes you got to do what you got to do to get the job done. We'll come back in a few weeks and check the results. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.